Number 1. 1969 Dodge Dart Sedan Slant 6, $3,900 San Mateo, California. This 1969 Dodge Dart sedan is an affordable entry into classic Mopar ownership, listed at $3,900 in San Mateo, California. Finished in yellow with natural patina, it has the character many vintage car enthusiasts appreciate. It is powered by the well-known Chrysler Slant 6 engine, famous for durability with fewer than 50,000 original miles and easy starting, according to the seller. The car has a 4-speed manual transmission installed by the previous owner, although the linkage needs adjustment and does not shift properly. It can move under its own power, but is best transported by trailer. The car also features newer wheels and tires and comes with a clean title. The Dodge Dart was one of the most popular compact American cars of the late 1960s, known for simple mechanics and strong parts availability. This example appears to be a solid project for someone looking to revive a classic sedan with dependable Slant 6 power. 2. 1971 Volvo 145S Wagon, $4,500, Cheney, Washington. Offered at $4,500 in Cheney, Washington, this 1971 Volvo 145S Wagon represents one of the most practical classic wagons of the early 1970s. Known for strong build quality and long-lasting engines, this example has a replacement B20 engine with about 50,000 miles, while the body shows around 270,000 miles. Finished in Toyota silver, the wagon reportedly starts easily and drives smoothly. Recent work includes a new battery, starter, spark plugs, fuel pump, fuel filter, muffler, and a tune-up. The sale also includes many spare parts such as hubcaps, hoses, gaskets, carburetor parts, extra radiators, and trim pieces, along with 2 sets of wheels including studded tires. Cosmetically, the wagon shows normal wear with small seat tears and minor imperfections. The Volvo 145 remains popular for its rugged mechanical design and distinctive Scandinavian styling, making this a practical classic driver or restoration candidate. Number 3. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic, $2,500. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is priced at $2,500 and offered as a restoration project. The engine starts reliably but will need a tune-up, and the body has some rust typical for a car of this age. It includes a clean title and a spool in the rear differential for performance driving. The Malibu remains a popular platform for classic builds thanks to its simple design and strong aftermarket support. Four. 1975 Chevrolet Malibu Classic, $5,000 Hoffman Estates, Illinois. Listed at $5,000 in Hoffman Estates, Illinois, this 1975 Chevrolet Malibu Classic Coupe offers classic American V8 power with approximately 71,000 miles. It is equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. After sitting for about 20 years, the car recently received several mechanical updates, including new brakes, brake lines, alternator, battery, tune-up, and a new fuel tank. The seller also includes a pair of bullet-style mirrors that have not yet been installed. The engine reportedly runs well and the transmission shifts smoothly, providing the comfortable cruising experience typical of mid-1970s American coupes. This Malibu Classic appears to be a usable summer cruiser with important mechanical work already completed. 5. 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix, $7,000, Laveen, Arizona. This 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix is listed for $7,000 in Laveen, Arizona, and appears to be a well-preserved example of Pontiac's mid-1980s personal performance coupe. With only 39,855 miles, it stands out as a relatively low-mileage survivor. Power comes from a 305 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Cars from this era combine sporty styling with comfortable touring characteristics. The vehicle has been well maintained and features a newly installed vinyl roof and headliner. Arizona cars are often desirable due to the dry climate, which helps preserve the body. Overall, this Grand Prix appears to be a clean classic suitable for enjoyable weekend cruising. Six, 1971 GMC 1500 pickup, $8,500, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Offered at $8,500 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, this 1971 GMC 1500 pickup represents one of the most desirable truck designs from the early 1970s. These trucks are known for rugged construction and strong engine options. This example is powered by a large 402 cubic inch big block V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It also features power steering, power front disc brakes, dealer-installed air conditioning, and a 12-bolt rear axle. The seller reports that the body, frame, floors, and rocker panels are in very good condition and that the truck runs and drives strong. With its solid structure and powerful drivetrain, it could serve as a dependable classic truck or a future restoration project. Seven, 1979 Avanti II Coupe, $8,900, Tacoma, Washington. This rare 1979 Avanti II Coupe is listed for $8,900 in Tacoma, Washington. Built by the Avanti Motor Corporation, it continued the legacy of the original Studebaker Avanti design. Only about 142 examples of this configuration were produced, making it relatively rare. The car is powered by a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The silver exterior still presents well with minor cosmetic blemishes. However, the car currently needs work. It starts with starting fluid, but will not stay running, likely due to old fuel or carburetor issues after sitting for 2 years. The interior is partially disassembled, the gas pedal needs reattachment, and the passenger power window needs repair. Because of these issues, the seller recommends transporting it by trailer. Eight, 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV Designer Series by Givenchy, $9,000, SaddleBrooke, Arizona. Priced at $9,000 in SaddleBrooke, Arizona, this 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV Designer Series represents classic American luxury from the mid-1970s. The Designer Series models were special editions created with famous fashion designers, and the Givenchy version was among the most prestigious. The coupe is finished in turquoise blue with white accents and remains largely original. It is powered by a massive 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car features leather seating, air conditioning, and numerous power accessories. The seller notes that the paint and chrome remain in excellent condition, and the vehicle includes the original owner's manual, maintenance records, spare parts, car covers, and white wall tires. Nine, 1978 Ford 1-ton pickup, $8,475, Ceres, California. This 1978 Ford 1-ton pickup is offered for $8,475 in Ceres, California, and has remained with the same original owner for 48 years. Power comes from a 6.6-liter 400 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck has about 135,000 miles and has reportedly been regularly serviced at a local dealership since new. It also includes power steering, power brakes, and a functioning heater. The truck runs well and can be used as a daily driver. Minor rust is present around the windshield and rear bed area, and the front window needs replacement. Despite these issues, trucks of this era are known for durability and simple mechanics. (10) 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Coupe, $9,750, Costa Mesa, California. This 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Coupe is listed for $9,750 in Costa Mesa, California, and represents one of the most unique American cars of the 1960s. Unlike most American cars of its time, the Corvair features a rear-mounted air-cooled engine and independent suspension. This example is finished in Ermine white with a black interior and is described as a solid driver quality car. It is powered by the desirable 140 horsepower engine with 4 carburetors, paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. Although the odometer is not currently working, the seller estimates about 80,000 miles. The Corvair Monza models were considered the sportier versions of the lineup and remain appreciated for their unique engineering and compact styling. Number 11. 1964 Dodge Dart 270, $6,000, Sacramento, California. Listed for $6,000 in Sacramento, California, this 1964 Dodge Dart 270 sedan is powered by the dependable 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine with automatic transmission. The seller reports that it runs very well and has a very clean interior. It also has new tires and new brakes and is described as rust-free. With its simple design and reliable engine, this Dart could make a great entry-level classic.